How to download or install Microsoft Office 365 from Microsoft Windows 11. So let's get started. Firstly, sign in to UDO and click the Microsoft 365 tile, or alternatively access the Microsoft 365 portal directly by going to office.com. Then simply sign into Office 365 portal by using your student number like @unimail.derby.ac.uk. Once signed in, click the Install Office Apps drop down menu and select Office 365 apps. You will be prompted to download or run the installer. Click Run. If you have downloaded the file, run it from the location you have stored it to. Once the download has completed, an installer will initiate automatically and start installing Microsoft Office 365 apps. Shortly, you will see a new window indicating that the installer is getting ready and preparing the files for installation. Once the installation has finished, you will be prompted to agree to terms and conditions and start using the Office 365 apps. You may need to log in to the Office apps such as Word at lunch for the first time in order to activate the software. It is also recommended to log in as it allows you to save your work directly to your OneDrive and allowing you to keep your files stored in cloud securely. Now enter your password. Then, once signed in, you will be prompted to remember your details. Do not click Yes, but instead untick the box Allow my organization to manage my device and click on this app only to continue as shown here. You have successfully installed Microsoft Office on your computer. You may wish to return back to your Office 365 software status page to check your current installations and remove any unused activations to empty a slot for new installation. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.